What's going on, guys? So I came to Redline, pick up some shifter bushings for my cousin Civic, and they had what do you call them? Recaro seats for DC2, the red Recaros Type R's. They had red Recaros for an Integra, and my friend Jesse told me he's been wanting them, and he told me to check them out for him because I was right here, and they told me they sold them. So I called them up and I told them they sold them, and he sent me a picture, and guess what? Look at that. He said also another package came in for his Integra. Let's see what it is. Top one. I don't even know what this is. Let me see. He's saying it's a license plate angler for the front plate. Damn, parts coming in today. These seats in the summer, whack. Too hot. I had to deal with my tan seats before. Look at this. This is JDM right here. This truck is the daily. B&D, everything. Yeah, he's gonna clean them up first. He doesn't know if he's gonna keep them or sell them. He's gonna take them to get cleaned. Nah, you shouldn't. They're already clean.
They're really nice already.
I know. You shouldn't clean them. They're good already. But yeah, that's it. Oh, so I guess we're gonna install it right now. This is how it is unboxed. This is so nice. Look at that. JDM parts for days. The license plate goes right here, slanted. So it's, I guess it's going to be like that, and then the license plate facing down. It's nice. I'll get one, but my license plate's right there, so. But maybe later. And he's also thinking of getting top one, a full splitter. Maybe, yeah, a splitter from top one. It's like $450 at Redline. Comes out a little bit right here, like something like that. And it says top one in the little winglet, I think it's called. Oh, nice. He got his exhaust gasket too, because he recently got a, what's it called? Checkered Sports exhaust catback. So that's another install video for later as well. But for now, we're gonna do the top one license plate angler, something like that. It's nice.
I do it, bitch. Oh, you have to do it.
Why me?
You're the making the videos.
Nah. I'm filming, you do it.
No, I'm not gonna do it.
Okay, I'll do this shit.
Oh, yeah, you can.
Hey, I'm we ain't fucking.
I guess I'm installing his seats right now. Shit. I'll do this in like 5 minutes. I always do it in my car. Just gonna do the 4 bolts, yeah, and I'll just do this one for now because passenger's important. I was planning on getting out of work, going home, eating, watching videos. I was not expecting coming to Jesse's house and installing Recaro seats on his Integra. But that's how life is. Random ass shit. Alright, I put it in. Now I have to put the bolts in. And well, yeah, they fit DC2. The rails are a little bit different, but They fit good. So we're chilling. Just have to line it up good. But yeah, I'll get back to you when they're both installed. I got one seat in. Daniel's gonna do the other seat. While he does that, look, they put the license plate holder finally. Top one motors. Look at that. No cop's gonna get that. It's cool. It's nice.